was once again his very good self that just seemed really strange in that second inning. Didn't look like him.
You know, that could happen. He gave us a chance like he has been doing pretty much every time out there. You know, he just lost his command there a little bit in the second inning after an overpowering first inning. You know, it's kind of hard to explain how that can happen. But you know, the brief wildness period that he went through cost him a couple of runs, but we got a couple home runs to get back to even. And then, as been happening, you know, we don't make a play and the other team capitalizes, and you know, their bullpen shut us down. So, you know, I told him, you know, he's pitched well enough to win a lot more games than he has. We all know that. It's just the reality of not supporting him enough through many good outings that he's had for us, and tonight was another one of those.
When you're scruffling to score runs, awful tough when you're facing a guy like Verlander, who also seemed to have his good stuff.
Well, he, you know, kind of like we talked about before the game, he pitches more. He still has a little extra when he gets into situations. We see the velocity jump. You know, he finished really strongly there. Once he got up over 100 pitches, he still had enough in the tank to strike out 3 in a row, getting off the field there when we had a little bit of something going. So, yeah, you know, he's done a nice job. He knows what he's doing out there, and other than the home runs, he pitched really well. A lot of strikeouts. I don't know how many we ended up with collectively between the bullpen and Verlander, but it seemed like it was a big number. You know, guys are trying to battle, but couldn't find a way to put it in play very often with 2 strikes.
Any update on Kepler?
Well, he banged it pretty good there. He just started stiffening up and lost a little bit of range of motion. Had to get him out of the game. You know, we don't have a lot of bodies right now, which is kind of strange, but they've been going down, and you know, we had to put Esco out there, so we'll see how he responds tonight and into tomorrow and see when he might be available.
Well, you got enough outfielders to get by here over the next few days, or what are you thinking?
We'll make do, you know. Esco can go out there. You know, I don't know about too smart about putting Miggy out there. But, you know, Esco is a little bit of protection, and hopefully Kepler isn't out too long.
You got one out.